So here is a Prestashop Ultimate Tutorial for beginners. Prestashop is a free, open-source e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and develop their own online stores. Using Prestashop, you have the freedom of customization, scalability, and popularity. So if you want to start using Prestashop, click on my link in the description. So as you can see, we are now on the official website of Prestashop. And here, you will get to see a lot of sections that you can look into. So let's go to the homepage of Prestashop. Here, if you scroll down, you will see that more than 300 merchants are already on Prestashop. And you can see the stores that are available right here. And here, it says Made for Commerce, Built for Success. And you have options like control, customization, etc. Now, if you scroll down further, you will get to see some more sections like this. Now, let's scroll up to the top and click on Get Started, or just click on my link. After that, from this page, you will get to see the pricing plans of Prestashop. The Classic is free, Hosted is £24, and Enterprise for custom. And you can see all the features offered under each plan. Just compare them and choose the one that best fits your needs. And if you click on Show All Features, you will get to see all the information in detail. So, go through them in order to select your plan. So I will go with Classic, which is the free version. Click on Discover Classic. After that, click on Download right here. Then, you need to put in your email address and profile on this section. So I will go ahead and put in my email address. And then, click on Profile and select your profile type. Then, click on Download. After that, your Prestashop application will be downloaded onto your computer. And here, you can see the options to install Prestashop. And you can see 3 ways to install your store. So, let's click on Learn More. Now, if you scroll through, you will get to see all the options that you can learn more about. So, let's scroll further down. And as you can see, they have more information right here. And right below, they have the FAQ section. This is where you will be able to find all the answers to your questions. So, go through all of the FAQs in order to learn more about Prestashop, and your questions will be answered. They have all the necessary questions right here. And then, if you scroll down further, you will get to see sections for resources. Now, let's scroll up to the top. From here, click on Learn More on Automatic Installation. Here, just click on Launch the Guide under Automatic Installation. Then, click on Get Started on this section. Then, click on Find a Host or go to Step 2, which I will do. Now, click on Finish on the bottom. And while doing this, read through the guide. That way, you will know what to do. Now, let's scroll up to the top. After that, click on Learn More on Manual Installation. On this section, click on Launch the Guide as you did before, and then click on Get Started. Then, you will get to see all the information and steps right here. So go through them and click on See the Complete Guide or Finish. Now, let's scroll up to the top again and click on Learn More on Quick Start. After that, click on Launch the Guide. Then, click on Get Started and go to Step 2. Here, click on See the Offer on Prestashop Marketplace. Then, you'll be redirected to this section right here. So wait for it to load up. And once you're here, you will get to see Quick Start support. So, click on Add to Cart and note that they will charge you €50. So, click on Add to Cart and you will see options like Continue Shopping or View Your Cart. So let's go ahead and click on it. And as you can see, we're now being redirected to the cart section. Here, you can see your cart items. And on the right, you have the option to proceed to checkout. So let's click on it. Also, you can get to see the available payment methods right below it. So after clicking on Proceed to Checkout, just wait for it to load up. It may take a little while at times. So as you can see, we're now in the login page. You can click on Login with Google, or you can put in your email address or password. I will go ahead and log in with Google. So as you can see, it's being loaded up. Wait for a while, And once it loads up, you will need to select your Google account from the options. So select the account that you want to use, and after that, you will get to see this section where you need to click on Continue. So now click on Continue. So as you can see, we are now redirected back to the cart section. Here, you need to put in your personal information, like your first name, last name, and then if you are a merchant, a freelancer, or a web agency. So I will click on a merchant. Then you need to select your business sector from the options available. You can also use the search bar on the top. And if you select a freelance, then you can just go ahead and agree to the terms and conditions. After that, just click on Next. And here, you need to put in your billing address. You need to put in your company name, your first and last name, then your address. After that, put in your zip code. Then, you need to put in your city. After that, phone number and country. So click on the country option and scroll through to find your country. And once you find your country, just click on it. After that, go ahead and click on Add Billing Address. On the next page, you need to put in your payment method. And above that, you can see your billing address. So on the payment method section, you can select credit card and then put in your credit card details, like your card number, month, year, and CVV. And also if you want to save this card for future use. Then you have the option for PayPal account. After that, you have bank wire. If you select it, you will get to see all the steps that you need to follow. Now, let's go ahead and select credit card. Or we can also go with PayPal. And once you select it, you can see Pay with PayPal on the right. If you click on it, you will be redirected to this page right here. And now, just put in your email address of your PayPal account and password. Then click on Connection. And your Prestashop account will be connected to your PayPal account. That way, you'll be able to finish your transaction on Prestashop. So, as I've shown you here, just go through all of the options I've mentioned and you'll be able to learn how to use Prestashop in no time. It is pretty simple and easy to use. So even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be able to learn how to use Prestashop for free. And they have a completely free option that you can start with. And even if you're just a beginner, you will not have to pay any upfront fees in order to try out Prestashop. So just go ahead and click on my link in the description and you'll be able to get started for free. And that is the ultimate tutorial for beginners on Prestashop.